Good day, everyone. I am doing this particular broadcast to specifically address the president of Tampan, Mr. Latin.
Yomi Fabiyi, in a recent Instagram post dedicated to Mr. Latin, expressed his desire for people to refrain from hastily reacting or responding when it comes to individual filmmakers. He also advised caution when it comes to engaging with bloggers, stating that only a few of them adhere to human rights and ethical journalism practices. Fabiyi emphasized the need to stop denying professional filmmakers support during their difficult times and encouraged finding ways to address their needs. Furthermore, Fabiyi provided a suggested response for questions about this matter, suggesting replies such as "no comment will suffice" or stating that the association is actively seeking to do more. He concluded his message by highlighting the importance of actors helping each other, both through private donations and by offering them job opportunities. However, he acknowledged that the financial and health challenges faced by veteran actors are extensive and cannot be fully resolved. Fabiyi revealed that despite their efforts, a significant portion of their income is still lost to piracy, sabotage, and fraud. In a plea to his followers, Fabiyi requested that they not be discouraged from providing assistance to veterans if the need arises, expressing his honest appeal.
That is Mr. Bolaji Amusan JP. Mr. Latin, you are president of Tampan, and by implication, you are the president of professionals in that association. You're not a president for social media. And whenever issue arises, I would appeal you take your time before you respond. And I've advised long time ago that you need a special advisor on media so that things will pass through the person and there will be serious censorship. You are human. If care is not taken, you will make mistakes like the one you just did with denying that those seeking help, actors seeking help, are not members of Tampan. Only I need to be honest with you. I will tell you the truth. The last time I did the movie Akindele Iyabo, without benefit of a doubt, I want companies in social media. They are bloggers. Most of these people tell full audience. They are not professional. They don't follow the ethics of journalism. You are way ahead of them. You are a professional filmmaker, for crying out loud. A professional journalist will have to balance or take their time before they even ask you. I want to commit. I want to be the time when you're but I want to post. You don't have to respond. Ìjọba ní sọ pé nítorí pé yóò san tax. Àbí tó ráwọn bẹ̀rẹ̀ tax lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ kò san ilé ẹjọ́. Àbò accident ó wá ní kan náà lọ́wọ́ o. Kọ́ wá nítorí pé kí ìjọba governor ya lọ́wọ́ tax pé nítorí ẹni yẹn ò san tax. Ìdílé àwọn ò lè ràn lọ́wọ́ àbí kìíní kan. That government is gone. It's gone. Irú ìjọba yẹn ti pé ogun because that is not what leadership is all about. So most of our time, the other time you even went to grant interview with that woman, one woman, to her languages, her lifestyle, and everything is nothing. I don't know how members, because Papa, you need to stop. We are all colleagues. Tọ́mọ bá kọjá lúlù fáwọn òbí ó ti kọjá òmọ́jú o. Tẹ́ bá sọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́ sọ yẹn pé àwọn tí àwọn ará ayé ń ràn lọ́wọ́, they are not responsible because tẹ́ bá sọ pé yóò sanwó ojúwe kò ń ṣọmọ ẹgbẹ́, you are saying they are not responsible and people will suffer restraint. And then ó máa kó bá mental health wọn. These people have been long neglected. And ẹ jẹ́ ká sọ tọrọ fáwọn ará ilé. Gbogbo àwọn veterans tó ń jáde ṣàfẹ́ sọ pé wọn ò ṣiṣẹ́ bí wọ́n ṣe ṣiṣẹ́ nígbà tí wọ́n wà nígbèwe wọn àbí wọn ò ní talent ni. Ṣebí piracy ni ò jẹ́ kí wọ́n jèrè iṣẹ́ wọn. Tí ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ náà aráàlú yóò mọ̀ pé things are not working well. ìtìjú ẹjẹ́ package ẹjẹ́ àṣìbẹ̀ pa ìgbò nǹkan lọ fún àdáda òun ló fà tí wọ́n fi ń dákẹ́ wọ́n láti enjoy ìgbẹ̀yìn ayé wọn. And when they personally as a professional come out to express themselves, charity ni wọ́n béèrè fún. Àwọn American soldiers, veterans, British veterans, àwọn aráàlú ṣì ń donate fún wọn. So instead of about okay, it's something all association can come together and say, okay, let us create a platform where we can ask Nigerians, the fans, okay, sponsor a Nollywood veteran. And to an interest, go apply síbẹ̀, wọ́n fi details síbẹ̀. Akomashi pe gbogbo àwọn veterans wọ́n ní same accounts committee yẹn ló mọ àwọn gbogbo bí táwọn ọmọ yín bá ti ń retí ìrànlọ́wọ́ àbí tó yẹ kó jí sí kòtò ní Ọlọ́run àròjọ tẹ dìde ìrànlọ́wọ́ fún àwọn àgbààgbà yìí tó yẹ pé wọ́n ní hope kankan mọ́ Ọlọ́run á dẹ̀ ṣe kí ni á jáde ìrànlọ́wọ́ fún àwọn yín àtẹ̀yìn náà. Thank you so much and God bless you. Thank you.